Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, we'll show you how to back up virtual machines to tape storage using Vinchin Backup and Recovery. Go to VM Backup, click Backup. Select the virtual machine to be backed up. Select the backup storage for it. Here you can select tape as target storage. Select the backup strategies. You can select full backup, incremental backup, and set up schedules for them. Also, there are other useful strategies like data deduplication and data compression. And you can set up transmission strategy and advanced strategy. Just submit the job. Let's start the job. Now the backup job is finished. Let's check the backup data. The backup has been created successfully. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.